There we go.
Alright, you want to get up?
However you want to. Yeah, like we did last time. Get up in there. Want to push it up in there just on the front first? Got it? Yeah.
Get on the outside.
Huh?
Hold the brake though.
Kind of went a little too far to the right, but we'll make it work. Oh. Yeah, bought those a few weeks ago. I haven't had a chance to use them.
Okay. Whoops. Well, that fell to the ground. Oh, there we go. I got it sitting on something now. There we go.
That was a boat. I thought it was cool.
Going up and up around the class.
I mean, I could just do it like that. I just hate like that.
Yeah.
Put that in back of it.
So where y'all been working at?
Cartersville.
I think that's where the guy's coming from. Get the bike. You gonna pull it back through? So you can have send it this way? Huh? Something stupid, just a bump strap. Things not holding on very well to begin with, so I like this thing.
Well, alright, so now we got the fire blade loaded. I'm gonna take it over to my brother's, get it done, unloaded, put it on stands, and then we're gonna be ordering the frame soon. Get that in about a couple days after Thanksgiving probably, and then we'll tear it down and build it back. Hopefully it won't take long. But we're gonna do everything. We're gonna redo the wheels. We're gonna clean the pipe. We're gonna adjust the valves.
Make sure all the bushings are good.
Yeah, re-grease everything. And then, of course, the look of the bike is gonna be also changing too again. So, till the next time, or we might show it on getting it unloaded. But if not, catch you on the next one. Alright guys, what's going on? Back at you coming from the truck this time. Got the fire blade out there. Fire blade. Like I said, we're on our way to take it to my brother's. Get it dropped off there and get it ready to be torn down. Unfortunately, the valves did go. I didn't get a video of it. It was just today I just had to go somewhere and I didn't record, so I wasn't able to catch it on film. But that's why we ain't had no videos out. So we're on our way to take it to get tore down and get it fixed. It's gonna be readjusting the valves, cleaning the bike completely, might be doing something else. But also too, gonna be changing the frame. Found some flaws in the frame, so I'm gonna be ordering a new one here probably in about 2 weeks maybe. And once we get it built, that's when we'll start putting it back together. Probably gonna take a day, a Saturday probably. My brother's gonna see about getting off, and we'll spend the day tearing it completely down to nothing but the frame. We're gonna pull the motor off. That's when we'll adjust the valves. That way nothing's in the way. And get it put back together and get it put on the new frame, and then get it built back. So I'll catch y'all when we get over there and either unloading it or we got it in the basement.